Do you still create invoices by opening Excel, copying customer details, calculating totals, exporting as a PDF, opening Outlook, and then updating another spreadsheet just to keep track of what's been paid? If you do, you're probably wasting hours every single week on a process that could be automated. After spending more than 10 years working in finance, I saw businesses repeating the same workflow over and over again. So I built an invoice system in Excel that automates the entire process. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Most businesses don't have an invoice problem. They have a workflow problem. Creating an invoice only takes a few minutes. Everything that comes after that, it is where time disappears. PDFs, emails, payment tracking, searching all invoices, following up on overdue customers. That's the real problem. Instead of using several different tools, I wanted one place that handled the entire workflow. Let me show you what I built. Everything starts here. Instead of manually typing customer details every time, I simply choose the customer. Then I add products, quantities, and the totals are calculated automatically. Once everything looks right, I save the invoice. Creating the invoice is only one part of the workflow. Next, I can preview it, export it as a PDF, email it directly to the customer, and update the invoice status. 4 manual jobs become one workflow. Everything starts from here. Let's create a customer, select a company, and then we can choose from products or services. Let's pick a product here, a laptop, and let's buy 5 of these. Then we change to services, and we can also have a monthly retainer we can add. So this system can handle both services, retainers, and products. The automation consulting, for example, could be a 15 hours work, and then it calculates our hourly rate. We have an open catalog here also, where we can add products and services and adjust them. We can preview our invoice, and we can also save it. We can save it as a draft here, save invoice successfully, and we can export it as a PDF. And then we can send the invoice to the customer. Invoice emailed opened successfully. And here on the right we have the invoice, sent directly to the client's email address. If we go back and look up invoice 009, we have it here so we can track it. We send it today and we send an email with a PDF. Now we can track overdue and send reminder in case they are late on payments. You can set settings here where the PDF gets saved, due date, and tax rate percentage. If you want to say in what I build next, plus templates I don't post publicly, check out the membership for $99 a month. Cancel anytime. Link is in the description. Let's keep going. Once you send an invoice to a customer, you still need to know whether it's overdue and who needs a reminder. This is exactly what I want this system to solve. We can see we have an overdue invoice here, but we can also filter it here on overdue. Yes. And see we have one overdue invoice with invoice ID 008 from Apex Consulting, where we sent the first invoice a while back, 7th of June, that now needs a reminder. We edit invoice and click send reminder. Reminder sent successfully. And again here on the right you can see the email has been drafted with the invoice attached with another text. So this system sends 2 different texts in the email, depending on if it's the first time we send the invoice or a reminder. Here it says, dear customer name or business name, Apex Consulting. This is a friendly reminder that invoice 008 is now overdue. Please find the invoice attached. Kind regards. If we go back and look up invoice 008, we can now see that the status in send reminder says yes, it has been sent 11th of July 2026, which is today. So you're always in control and can see who has paid and who needs the reminder. So you're not guessing. The system is handling the invoices and the statuses for you. This is how real automation works. You let the computer do all the heavy lifting instead of manually doing it yourself and making mistakes and missing to send payment reminders or sending invoices in the first place. One thing I've noticed over the years is that businesses often think they need more software. In reality, they just need fewer manual processes. The software isn't the important part. The workflow is. That's what I focus on when building systems like this. Once invoices start growing, finding information becomes just as important as creating invoices. Everything is searchable. My favorite part of the whole system isn't actually creating invoices. It's this, the dashboard. In seconds, I can see revenue, outstanding invoices, collecting rate, and overdue payments. The interesting part isn't that this was built in Excel, it's that repetitive admin work disappears. Staff don't need to remember every step. Information stays organized. Managers have visibility, and the business spends more time doing valuable work instead of administration. This is exactly the system I enjoy building. Real tools that solve real business problems. And that's the complete invoice workflow. From creating an invoice to generating a PDF, emailing the customer, tracking payment status, sending payments reminders, and giving you a complete overview of everything from one place. The goal was to remove repetitive admin work and create a workflow that's fast, more consistent, easier to manage every day. Over the years, I've built systems like this for businesses around the world, and seeing the time they save once the repetitive processes have been automated is one of the most rewarding parts of what I do. Every business works a little differently. If your business already have your own invoice process, I can also build a custom system around where your team already works, rather than forcing you to adapt to a new workflow. One question I get quite often is, can something like this be built for my business? The answer is yes. That's one of the advantages of custom software. Every business has its own workflow, approval process, invoice layout, and reporting requirements. Instead of forcing your business to fit the software will be built around the way your business already works. Maybe you need additional fields, a different invoice layout, project tracking, purchase orders, references, approval steps, a completely different report. Those are all things I can build into the system. What I showed you here today is just one implementation. Every business is different, and that's exactly why I enjoy building these custom systems. If that's something you're interested in, you can find a link in the description where you can apply for a custom build. And if you enjoy seeing real-world business systems like this, make sure to subscribe. I've built CRM systems, inventory management systems, reporting dashboards, purchasing systems, and plenty more that I will be sharing on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.